my friends. I'm using up the paint I mixed up yesterday for the little landscape painting I did. I made far too much, so I thought I would try a swipe on this 16-inch round canvas, one of my favorite sizes and shapes. So I already obviously spread the colors out because I wasn't sure I had enough. I didn't want you watching me run short, but I did have enough. So now I'm just going to move it around a little bit to fill in the gaps and get a nice smooth coverage. It's almost fun just like this, but it's just a little too simple. I can't leave it like that. This time I'm going to use white as a swipe. I hope it has the same magical effect that the black does. I don't know why it wouldn't. I'm not going to worry about the edges. I found that with a swipe, I always need to paint the edges. The sides, I mean, not the edges. Okay. It's kind of pretty. Okay, now I've added some silicone to my white. I think I have about 4 ounces of mix, and I have added 4 drops of silicone. So I mixed it in well. And here we go. I'm just going to put it across the center. Yeah, I'm just going to put it across the center, swipe from both sides, and then I'll tilt it around a lot. Okay. And here we go. Fun. Forgot to get something to wipe this off with. I'm running out of room to clean my swipe tool. I'll use the other edge, although hopefully that will work. Okay, here we go. Ran out of room there for my arm, but I'm going to be tilting that anyway. Okay. First I'll cover that edge that I messed up. There's a lump of something somewhere in here, and I saw it, and now I've lost sight of it. I just want to get lots of movement in this. And that's the only part I don't care for. The color is kind of icky. This is pretty. So I'm going to go way over there and then bring it back. Oh, look at that chunk is right in the very center of the canvas. There's a big lump of something. Let's see if I can fish that out. Oh. That's too bad. Okay, what have we got going here? I like that. I like that. It's kind of fun. Oh. Rotate it so you can see. Is there? I hope there's not a big. There is a big glare. I can't help that. You know, I think I like it just as is. That's pretty much what I hoped to achieve with this. It's quite pretty. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I love the look of those red and purple cells over there. All the wonderful multicolors. Of course, I started with a lot of colors, but they did some blending as well and made more colors. I just love the shape of these little cells. I like this area very much. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. Well, that was easy peasy. I'll put the recipe I used. I diluted the Artist Loft Ready Mix paints with a Floetrol and glue mix, and I'm happy. I hope you are too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.